Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your game mode button is unlocking your Windows key on Logitech G316 keyboard. So first of all, make sure that no other keyboard is connected to your PC. Also, you can try simply switching your USB-C cable and inserting it into the different USB-A port on your computer. Then try clicking the game mode button and then pressing the Windows key. If it's locked, this game mode key will start blinking in order to notify you about the lock. If it's not doing that, then you have to update the firmware for your keyboard within the G Hub application. Now, to do that, you're gonna have to launch the application, go to Settings, go to Updates, and check for updates right here. If you don't have updates for your application, then go directly to your keyboard settings, and after that, go to Settings by clicking this gear icon in the bottom left corner, open General, and check whether you have an update for your keyboard. And if you don't have an update, try restarting your computer and see if this helps. And if it doesn't help you, then at this point you should definitely reach out to Logitech customer support service and notify them about this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.